Alright, so welcome back. This is Cryptophil, and today let me do some update video for why do you meme. Alright, so this token have been exploding for the last 24-48 hours. We have 68% up, and that is very crazy, guys. Okay, that's crazy. So if you listen to me and if you ape into the pre-sale, you're going to be around 7-8x from the pre-sale price, and that's only in the last 4 weeks time. That's crazy. Check the chart, beautiful. This is on in 90 days. So I think the launch was somewhere here. Okay, it was a few days before it was listed on CoinGecko, and the price was I think 0.005, something like that, 0.006 if I'm not mistaken, and now it's 0.005 almost. All right, so we talk about 8-9x, maybe even more a little bit from the pre-sale price. Now, if you, by the way, please remember that nothing here is financial advice. Don't put more money you can afford to lose. This crypto and you can lose everything. Okay, this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. So let me just do some updates. So what is this about? Again, is it a good time to buy in? Maybe wait for some pullback. I don't want to buy all-time high. However, I'm going to sell some positions today, probably just a little bit, just very little bit. I'll just take some profits, and when it's dumped again here, I'll buy more tokens. And why I want to do that? Why I want to accumulate more more tokens? Well, the reason is simple. So the tokens have a lot of FOMO right now, okay? And it's very small community, all right? Only a few hundred people in the Telegram. However, the main guy right there, it's a YouTuber, okay? It's called the FOMO Factory, all right? Let me just go and see where he was. Let me just see. So if you go to the page, home page right here, there we go. So you will see, there we go. So this is the guy, okay? So and he explained everything. What is this about and how it's working? Okay, so what they doing is it's very unique project, okay? It's very unique. So basically what they say is when you buy and sell the token, you have small taxes, okay? So they taking the percentage from the taxes, they saving money, and they're going into Launchpad, okay? They're going into IDOs, IGOs, they're going into startups, some pre-sales, everything. So this guy is a lot into the crypto. And so he is using this money to go into all these ideals and everything. Why? Because right now it's bear market, and he's buying these things in very, very cheap price. When the bull market come up, when there's some of the new tokens pop up, this can be very beneficial. All the profits will be shared between all the holders. It depends how much you hold, that's how much you're going to get. Alright, so this is one of his video, like a welcome video. This is in his Telegram, and you will see this is for everybody who are new. Now, I will just speed up the first 2 minutes, so stay tuned for the next 45 seconds and you will see what he's talking. So check this out. I will just speed up right now. Give me a second. So if you go to his Telegram, you will see this is the update video right here in the announcement. And also they have some kind of giveaway right here for the 3 winners. They have some contents, and also you can stake this token very, very soon. Now, so check this out, all right? So, by the way, they had 15 BNB has been paid to our biggest buy contents winner. 15 BNB they sent, that's crazy. Now, so check this out. Check the first few minutes will be very fast, so check this out.
What's up, new Telegram members? I made this video especially for you to explain the project so you totally understand what we are doing right here. So welcome to the group. I'm happy to have you here. You can always ask any questions. The community members are there. I'm here. But let me explain what do you mean is actually. If you joined the group, you probably already know, but maybe this helps a little bit. So what do you mean is basically a VC, a venture capital. And what a venture capital does is they release or they invest in new releases, startup projects that need the funding to grow, and therefore such a VC can make a lot of money. In this case, you can invest in the VC. That's basically what it is. How do we do that? We invest in crypto pre-sales, startups, IDOs, ICOs, IGOs, etc. We use the money that we get from a small buy and sell tax that we have on our token. So it's 5% buy and 8% sell.
So there you go. That's all what you need to do. So they're going into these pre-sales, they're saving the money from the taxes, they're getting into all these pre-sales, loading up right now in the bear market, okay, getting into all the tokens in the future who is coming on these IDOs, ICO, wherever, and they blowing up after that. They're doing 100x and wherever. Check this out. Just check this out.
A little bit is going to liquidity, and most of it is going to our Launchpad wallet. That Launchpad wallet is getting pretty big. Now, this is the cool part about the utility. Depending on when you watch the video, this will be updated, by the way. But I have a source right here to CryptoRank, and CryptoRank shows you the
So check this out, how much money they make profits, how many X if you invest in some of this Launchpad. But the biggest problem is you need to have a lot of tokens allocation to get into the Launchpad, a lot of Launchpad tokens, so you can get more tokens. Okay, if you go there with a couple $100, you'll get like a few bucks. But if you go there with thousands and thousands of money, you will get a lot of tokens. And look how much profit they do. Just check this out.
Launchpads. So we're going to use Launchpads like Seedify, DAO Maker, Engine Starter, etc. But if we look, for example, at Seedify and we look at the all-time high ROI of the projects that they released, you'll see, or you don't see because this website is lacking a little bit, but this was all in the bull market. And Seedify released projects that did a 600x, 200x, 170x, 100x, and so on.
So that's what I'm saying about. So if this guy go into these pre-sales and all this Launchpad, okay, so we're talking about, you know, if some of the token hit 100x, 150x, 3, 4, 700x, and all that profit will be shared between the holders. Well, happy days for us. All right, so next one. So this is the homepage. This is the way this is the first page. The link will be in the description. Just go if you want. Go and find the token CoinGecko. Why do you meme? All right. And then you will see this is the page right here. You go and crack and can click. This is the Telegram, also the official one. Also, I'll leave the link in the description. And also, if you go to the DApp, okay, here you will see all the information what you need. All right, let me just get out of this one. There we go. So this is the DApp basically. It's very good looking DApp. This is the home. This is the chart. You can go and check. Swap. You can go and buy and all that stuff. You can buy on PancakeSwap, by the way. And also you can go staking. So this is what I'm very interesting. What's coming very, very soon. So I'm going to sell some tokens today a little bit. I'll take some profits and I'll wait for some dip if happen. Usually should happen. When the dip happen, I'm going to do DCA going down. I'll buy more tokens. So that's my plan and that's my goal for now. So I want to accumulate more tokens because this is for me, again, nothing here is financial advice, is for long hold. This guy cannot make all this money from this Launchpad overnight. It's going to happen within the next months, maybe years. Okay, so if you listen his videos, if you listen even his first videos, maybe I'll get this guy for AMA. You will find out that the plans are for the next couple of years. Okay, so that's why I want to accumulate more tokens, because more tokens you get, more profits he makes, he will share more money with everybody. All right, thank you so much. Go and ask them all the questions in their Telegram group. Still the next one, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.